What's up, everybody? Tonight we're gonna make grilled chicken skewers. So, cheers, and let's cook. First thing we're gonna do is put together a little marinade. I got a half cup of olive oil, a half cup of soy sauce, I'm sorry, that was a half cup of balsamic vinegar. We're going to do a quarter cup of soy sauce. And an eighth of a cup of Worcestershire sauce. We're going to go in about 2 tablespoons of honey. Squeeze that in. Have 3 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 lemon. Squeeze my juice in. I'm just going to drop the lemon in. Got some fresh oregano, like 4 or 5 sprigs. Just kind of open that up a little, rub it together, drop that in there, and 2 sprigs of rosemary going in. And we're just going to throw in about 2 teaspoons of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper. I'll just give that a little mix, and we can set that aside. Next up, we're going to prep our chicken. I got 3 pounds of chicken here. I'm just going to take each breast and cut them into about 1-inch cubes. Now to marinate the chicken, I'm going to go into a gallon freezer bag. I like putting it in a bowl just so it doesn't fall over and spill. Just going to go into the bag with the chicken. Now, going with our marinade. Pop that up. Just gonna work that marinade around the chicken. All those herbs, put those in there. Seal it up. Try to squeeze out as much air as possible. Make sure that chicken is completely covered in that delicious marinade. And that is ready to go. So I'm going to let that sit for about 2 to 6 hours in the fridge before we start grilling. I let that chicken marinate for about 4 hours, and I got my grill heating up right now. So now I'm just going to take it, dump it out of the bag so it's easier to get to. And we'll load up these skewers. All our meat is skewered up, and it's time to get it on the grill. We have some juicy, tender chicken skewers here. Guys, I grilled those for about 5 minutes per side at about medium-high heat, or around 425 degrees. And the flavor is going to be amazing. That marinade packed a ton of flavor into these. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.